Got some sleet coming down. We didn't get a whole bunch of snow, as you can see. There we go. Okay. I flipped this one upside down last night. I can see how thick the ice got. Chickens are hanging out in there. They're smart. They're not coming out. There's one quail baby there. That one always hangs out right here. And then this one here I find here, there, and everywhere every day. Sometimes over there. Just depends wherever it wants to be. Plenty of quail food for several days. So I can go back in the house. Put this in. Ate that hay down pretty good last night. Put the hay in the bag. Close the bag up. Here and check on the water. There's the pony. Okay. We have 2 troughs of water because it's going to be a long period of time before we get any warm weather again. So we filled these both up. During the cold weather, the animals do drink a lot of water. So these have little heaters that come on. I think when the water gets down to 34, 35 or something like that, you can say Tinkerbell is ready. She was out. You can see she was out last night enjoying the weather. This is the cozy stall. There's Cupid over here. Hey Cupid. Hey Cupid. Cupid's just chill. He's laying down. So they're going to get a little hay, some fresh hay. Cupid is contemplating the cold weather. What do you think, Cupid? Get you some hay. Stuff this bag. Hay. Sit. Stay. Stay. Okay, you can see Moon picked up a branch in her tail. Last night, that was probably driving her nuts. Let's get rid of this stick. Almost done. There we go. Dragging that around all night, probably driving her crazy. Go outside. Well, get the stick. Get the stick. Get the stick. Really had quite the night. I don't think she came in much. She was out enjoying the weather. What do you say, Moo Moo?